back here, Cutie, with another video.
Turn that back on, I was watching that.
Today, I'm going to be showing you what I cook on a daily basis. So here's one of my recipes that I love so much. It's healthy, it's good for everybody. Everybody will want to love it and eat it. It is roasted, what's those green things called? Roasted, not cabbage, roasted Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. We're having roasted Brussels sprouts. But we're having roasted Brussels sprouts with some rice, because you know we love some rice with our roasted Brussels sprouts, because that combination goes together. So let's get into this video. Okay. Oh, before I do that, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you're gonna love, or you do love this kind of recipe, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a video. Let's get into the video right quick. The items you're gonna need is obviously broccoli. You can have a fresh broccoli or prepackaged cut broccoli, whatever you like. Green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, Brussels sprouts obviously, and a red bell pepper. And don't forget the main ingredients is salt and pepper and basilic. Can't say that right, but I'll have it right here. And you're gonna need those and a skillet, and let's get to the chopping part. Okay, Keys, I am back. I finished cutting all the vegetables. I cut the Brussels sprouts, the bell peppers, the red one, yellow one, and green one. The broccoli's already cut. I just gotta take out the bag. So now we're gonna take this over to the skillet, and we're gonna spray the oil on the skillet, and then we're gonna cook it. Okay, Keys, you wanna preheat your oven or stovetop, whatever you're using, and you're gonna do it on between 6 and 7. And you're gonna turn there, and then you're gonna let your pan start to dissolve the water. If there's water still in there, just let that cook up. And once that's finished, you're gonna spray with some olive oil, organic style, because we're going organic and being healthy. So I'm gonna wait for this all to heat up, and then we'll get started. And while you're waiting, you can make yourself some lemonade. All you need is lemon balm, 2 lemon or 3. I usually use 3, but I'm gonna use 2 this time. You're gonna take some of the lemon balm. You're gonna leave 5 out, or how many people you have at your home. And then you're gonna take the juice and the peels of the lemon. You're gonna put in here with hot water and sugar, and you mix it up. Make sure everything's broken to pieces. I'll give you guys a good tutorial on my lemon balm drink. For now, you can just make you some lemonade the regular way or the new way that I'm gonna show you real soon. And then you can also toss in some fruit in there if you want to make it more fruity. You just toss some like strawberries or blueberries, or add more lemons, like lemon pieces. And then once you do that, you can pour yourself a cup of ice, and then add some lemon balm, like a few pieces left over, and then drink up. So I'm gonna have this with that. We're gonna pour some ice. I'm gonna have a full out summer day since summer break is here. It's finally here, so I'm happy about that.
2,000 years later.
Okay, cuties, I'm back. The pan is all here. Now we're gonna spray with olive oil. Look at that flame. And now we're gonna toss in our vegetables. And you're gonna stir this up, and also pour in your basilic. You're gonna pour in your basket. I'm in a dreamy world. I'm in heaven. Also, we're gonna sprinkle some of your salt and pepper on it. See, salt and pepper. And just sprinkle it on it. And then you're gonna start mixing it around. So I'm gonna give you a spatula. Be right back. Okay, cuties, now I'm stirring it up. Your house gonna might be smelling like vinegar, but that's okay, because you're gonna be having delicious food after taste. You will forget about that smell. Look how good that is. You can also double the recipe if you want to, if you have a big family, or you just want to eat something like a big portion of food. You can just double the recipe with anything in. All you have to do is add more vegetables. We're gonna let this cook for a while till everything starts getting more, not crisp, but more like softened. So I'll be right back with you guys when it's all finished. Then we start doing the plates. Okay, cuties, I'm gonna let this sit and cook. As you cook, you might want to clean up your mess. I'll come back and clean because I don't want to clean this up. We're meeting. Okay, cuties, I finished the food. I got some rice for lovely judges. And I got some cups because I'm gonna pour my famous lemonade. And don't come at me for the rice, how it look burnt. Yes, it is burnt, but it's not burnt, but it's still burnt. But don't come for me. You don't act like you haven't burnt rice before. I know you did. But so we're gonna start pouring the goodness on top of them. So we're gonna start pouring our mixture of food on top, like so. Look at that yummy, yummy goodness. And we'll do that for all of the plates. This batch can make more than 3. It can make like 6 people, 6 to 7, depending how big their portions are. And now I'm gonna get some ice for our cups, and I'm gonna pour the glass of lemonade for you. State your name.
My name is whatever you...
Challenge number 1.
It's dirty.
Jesus Christ. Okay, hurry, because I got that much.
My name is Abby, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna be trying KP's dish, whatever she got this off of. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try it anyway.
My brain, that's what I got from.
Okay. I'm gonna try the drink first.
Full reaction. She's thinking.
I tasted it before, so
Yeah.
I'll try it a little bit of pepper, because I don't like peppers.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which rate is from? You're next, mister.
1 through 10. A 6.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
It's very salty. Even though I like salty stuff, but it's very salty. But I like it.
Okay, I got a 6. I'll take that.
Okay, bye.
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 Next, judge number 2. Dang, bro, I just gave you the plate.
Sorry, it's good. I forgot that you had it record. Well, I like this a lot. I give it a 10.
Yeah, my first 10. Get round of applause. The crowd goes, wow. Yeah. And he drank the drink. It is bomb. Especially when the lemon down there. Yep,
Yeah,
it's
lemon
good.
balm.
You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?
Okay, that was corny. But yeah, go enjoy your food.
I already finished mine.
Oh, let me enjoy mine. This is awkward.
Okay, judge number 3.
That's just number 3.
Do you like the food?
It's not well. I'm sure it's so good.
Seems like you love it.
I see you guys later. Okay, bye.
Well, that's it for the video, kids. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below on which part of the video you liked. Did you love the cooking? Did you love how it was all healthy for you? Let me know in the comment section below of your tips of what foods I should do next. Let me know. I would love to know. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye, kitties.